New single just dropped from Ozuna. It's called Del Mar, and I'm going to teach you how to play it on guitar. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy! So this entire song is made up of 3 chords, the first of which is the B major chord. So you're going to bar the 2nd fret from the A string with your pointer finger, and you're also going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 4th fret. And you're going to pick the A string, D string, and then G string. Next is a C sharp major chord, so you're going to take the B major chord and move it up 2 frets, and you're going to do the same picking pattern again. And then last is a D sharp minor chord, so you're going to bar the 6th fret from the A string with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 8th fret of the D string, your pinky finger on the 8th fret of the G string, and your middle finger on the 7th fret of the B string, and you're going to do the same picking pattern again. And then you're going to go back to the C sharp major chord. You're going to do the same picking pattern again. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the riff. So you're going to start on the 11th fret of the G string and pluck that once. Then 11th fret B string and pluck that twice. Then 10th fret G string. 7th fret B string. 10th fret G string again. Then 10th fret G string. 11th fret B string. Twice. Then 9th fret B string, and you're going to hammer on and pull off on the 11th fret of the B string with your ring finger. Then 11th fret G string, 8th fret G string, then 11th fret B string again, twice, 9th fret B string, 11th fret G string, 10th fret G string, 10th fret G string again, and then 9th fret high E and slide down. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Ozuna. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.